First of all, if your shower drain has a bunch of caulk around the metal drain, then that's not a great sign. If the floor of your shower is a plastic pan, it's not a tile floor, but it's a plastic floor, then you can probably improve the waterproof seal around the drain a bit with some caulk, but it's really a mechanical process of the drain clamping to the plastic shower bottom itself. And so if that's compromised, then you're gonna have a leaky shower floor eventually anyway. So if you have a problem with water coming out of your shower floor around the drain, that's really more something that you want a professional plumber to look at. Now, if it's just an aesthetic thing, like you have a bunch of caulk around that someone put around the drain beforehand and you want to make it look better, then you don't want to re-caulk on top of old caulk. In that case, you would want to carefully scrape out all the caulk around the drain. And then when you reapply the caulk using silicone caulk, you would want to also be sure to use masking tape to make it look like a really professional job. If you take the time to carefully put masking tape all around, leaving open only exactly where you want the caulk, then you can just put on your latex gloves and really go to town on the caulk. And then once you get it nice and even, rip off the masking tape, and then you're left with a super precise, perfect professional caulking job. But caulking around a shower drain is generally aesthetic. It just makes it a little bit easier to clean and it makes it look better. If you have a leaky shower drain, you really want a plumber to look at it.